Okay guys, hi, Picaroon here. Just a quick show for my Christmas tree, and today I'm at home and I'll be reviewing these items, which are, let's say, popular at the moment. This one is a hammered kraken from stainless steel. It has a very slight heat covering, double-sided bottle opener and a screwdriver. Yeah, you can see my Cocker Spaniel Cassie. She's on my lap right now. Okay, this one is the Campfire by my second brand, Forest Berserk. Again, screwdriver, bottle opener, lanyard hole, pretty nice, lightweight. I have this and also in copper and in titanium, so plenty of choices for the finish. A knife that I love, the CRKT Amicus, designed by Voxnaes. This is one of the best pocket knives which came in the last 2 years maybe. I really love the lines, the feel that has this knife. And today's review will be for another Voxnaes design, and it is this one, the Boker Gnome. Again, as you can see, the Vox logo over here. It carries again the spirit of the Scandinavian style knives with this nice hollow grind. You can see the very nice line of the sheep's foot blade and the hollow grind, which with this finger throw right here and putting the thumb here gives a lot control for slicing, for piercing. It is really nice knife. You saw that it came with a kydex sheet, and I carry it for 2 years now. Never had an issue with this kydex sheet. Handles are from micarta. Every blade has a serial number on it. With liners, nice touch to the whole feeling of the knife. You know that I won't talk any specs, but the blade length is 2 inches, which is good for a small tasks knife. The handle is thicker than the blade, but it helps a lot with the control of the knife. So you know that my reviews are quick. This was the review about the Boker Gnome, and I really like, not a big surprise, Voxnaes design, so I recommend that you should pick one. Steel is 440C and holds a not great but a good edge. I've sharpened this on freehand, but I'm not good at it. Okay guys, so the kydex sheet, the Campfire 2, the Kraken, my most popular design with almost 200 into the wild on maybe 4 continents, on 20 countries maybe. Why don't you pick one? And CRKT Amicus. These two knives are great couple for everyday carry. A relatively big knife for almost all tasks, and a hidden small blade with a kydex sheet. This is a really nice pair. And grab a bottle opener and your EDC for the day is ready. Have a nice one guys. Have